sir. Ang akin po.
You are lying!
Come again, sir?
You are lying!
Opinion niyan, sir. Sa akin po naman yung totoo lang. From sa unang
I am-
hearing hanggang dito.
As chairman of this committee, I am going to cite you in contempt for lying. I just would like to inform the body, especially my colleagues, about the status of James Kumar. How I wish he is here, but wala siya dito, so
Maybe, Mr. Chair, we can hear from the lawyer of Mr. Kumar about his absence.
she's not invited as a resource person, but her role here is has to be limited for giving legal advice to James Kumar. But if you want to ask
Yes,
her, then
yes,
can we
Administer?
administer the oath? Yeah.
Please raise your right hand, ma'am. Do you swear to tell the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth in this investigation, ma'am? Thank you very much, ma'am. Please take your seat.
Attorney, if I may, Mr. Chair, what happened to your client?
Senator, last Friday, we were going to the Parañaque prosecutor's office to file a case against the people who used his name. However, on our way there, he started getting dizzy. So we brought him straight to Makati Medical because we called his doctor. And apparently, we have the report now from the doctor that he had a transient ischemic attack, which is a stroke. And when they checked him, meron pong bara. I think 55% yung bara sa vein. And at the same time, he was suffering from acute bronchitis, Your Honor. So may tubig din sa baga. So if any doctors from the Senate or from the parties, even if we bring the reports, the scans, they will be able to find they will have the same findings, Your Honor.
Since we are not doctors here, we cannot attest to the veracity of this medical certificate. But I know the attending physician, Dr. Ro Lapitan, is also my cardiologist before, and he's a very good cardiologist, Mr. Chair.
Yeah, thank you, Senator Jing. In fact, I have no doubt about that medical certificate. Pinirmahan niya ng doktor. May oath ang doktor na talagang hindi sila dapat magsisinungaling sa kanilang tungkulin. But then again, being the chairman of this committee, gusto ko rin talagang andito sana siya. Yeah, because you know, kung basehan natin yung video, narinig natin na very serious yung allegations about yung sinasabi na pwedeng ipapatay si Morales, maraming paraan para patayin si Morales. And hindi ko rin makukonsensya kapag after this hearing, i-terminate na natin itong hearing na ito ngayon, tapos may mangyari kay Morales, mamamatay yan, dahil hindi natin nakumpronta si James Kumar as to the veracity of that conversation. So, I think I am remiss of my duties kung hayaan natin na isara lang ito na hindi mapakinggan si Kumar. Baka kasi very serious yung sinasabi nitong former Napolcom personnel na si Picoy, kahit na sinasabi niya na katang-isip lang yung nasabi na, well, I don't believe you, Mr. Picoy. I don't believe you. In the first place, sinasabi mo na katang-isip mo yun. Pero, paano ka, alam ko yung ginawa mo ngayong discardis, afterthought na lang. Gusto mo lang magpapalusot. Dahil, sabi mo, last hearing, na gusto mo lang, diskarte mo lang yun para maimbitahan ka dito, para pakita ka ng mga ebidensya mo na yung dala mong papel para mapatawag ka lang, kaya mo ginawa yon. Sinabi mo naman na hindi ka narinig, hindi mo alam na nandun si Morales nakikinig sa usapan ninyo, at hindi mo alam na mayroong video recording, may CCTV. How come na magdrama-drama ka doon kung ganon? So I don't really believe you, Mr. Santiago. Yeah, you answer.
Sir, para sa akin po, sir, opinion niyo po yun eh. Pero ang katotohanan po, nasabi ko na po.
Katotohanan mo?
Yes, sir.
Is that your truth?
Yes, sir.
Nalukuhin kami dito?
Hindi po kayo, sir, ang niloloko ko, sir. Sir, hindi ko po kayo niloloko, sir.
Meron ka pang daladalang... we are inviting you here to shed light on the Yun yung papel mo doon sa CCTV recording.
Yes, sir.
Kaya kita inibitahan.
Yes, sir.
At hindi kita inibitahan dito para kunin yung expert opinion mo. May dadala ka pang papel nga tuturuan mo kami kung paano gumawa ng operation to conduct report, yung pre-operational report. Sino ka para magturo sa amin dito? Hindi ka nga naging police, hindi ka nga naging PDEA. Na Polcom employee ka lang, na-dismiss ka pa. So paano ka bigay ng expert opinion sa amin? This committee doesn't need your expert opinion here. This committee wants your answer as far as your participation in that very telling video recording CCTV. It's unfair for me kung hindi ko pakinggan si Kumar dito sa open hearing, tapos kayo napakinggan ko dito. As your allegation na pwedeng patayin si Morales anytime, in any kind of method, in any manner, kung mangyari yan after the hearing, kasi you are claiming na talagang magaling ka, marami kang kaso. May binanggit ako 2 kaso mo. Ngayon, nagsabi ka pa, hindi lang yan, sir. Mukhang talagang parang nakasandal ka sa pader kung magsalita ka.
Sir, kagaya po ng sinabi ko, sir, opinion niyo po yun, pero yung katotohanan po, sa akin po yun. Sinabi ko na po.
So, ibig mo sabihin, totoo talaga yon na nanluloko ka lang?
Kagaya po ng sinabi ko noong unang hearing, sir, niloloko ko po si Romy, hindi po kayo. Pero sila ang nagpasakay sa inyo, hindi po ako.
Anong reason mo? Bakit mo siya niloko?
Kagaya po ng sinabi ko noong unang hearing, sir, meron po sana akong gustong patunayan na 2 bagay. Yan ang unang bagay na nakarating ako dito. Dahil sa kwento ko sa 2, hindi po kasama kayo. Siya ang nagpasakay sa inyo, sir, hindi ako.
Ano nga rason? Bakit mo magloko-lokohin itong kausap mo? Para mapatawag ka dito sa hearing.
Kagaya ng sinabi ko pa rin po noong unang hearing, sir, yun pa rin po. Doon ako nakatindig dahil yun po ang katotohanan.
Do you think mapapatawag ka dito kung wala yung hindi pinakita ni Morales yung CCTV? At hindi mo alam na may CCTV recording yon. At hindi mo alam na nandun si Morales nung nag-usap kayo.
Kagaya po, sir, ng sinabi ko, sir, iyan po ay lahat ay isang katang isip na para sa kanila lang. Pero ang nangyari, sila ang nagpasakay po sa inyo, hindi po ako. Sila lang po ang pinapasakay ko, sir.
Kaya nga, pinasakay mo siya kasi gusto mo ma-influence ako para maimbitahan ka. Kay gusto mo kunyari mag-present ng legal expertise mo sa paggawa ng pre-operation report kasi yun ang gusto mong ipakita. Diba?
Hindi ko po akalain, sir, sir, sa totoo lang, sir, forgive me for saying this, hindi ko po akalain na papatulan niyo po yung ko sa kanila, sir, eh. Sa akin lang po, para lang po talaga.
Sinabi mo na nga na iyon ang objective
yes,
mo.
Yes, sir, pero hindi ko po alam, hindi ko po in-expect na papatulan yun para makarating ako rito.
Do you believe, naniwala ka ba? Maniniwala yung tao sa'yo? Yung sa video na yon? Na mangloko ka lang?
Depende po, sir, yan sa taong nakikinig, sir. Ang akin po...
You are lying!
Come again, sir?
You are lying!
Opinion yan, sir. Sa akin po naman yung totoo lang. From sa unang hearing hanggang dito.
As chairman of this committee, I am going to cite you in contempt for lying. Any objection? Hearing none.
I'm ready for that.
You are
sir.
cited in contempt.
Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir. Salamat po, sir.
Kumsik, you take custody of this person. Lukuhin mo kami?
May dala na po akong bag, sir. Kunin mo na yung bag.
Mr. Chair,
So,
before
for the record, this committee got the concurring vote of Senator Jingo Estrada as far as citing in contempt of Picoy Santiago. So that's for the record. Because according to our rules, I need to get one concurring vote. Kaya despite the absence of an objection, still, I need one concurring vote. And I got the concurring vote of Senator Jingo. Thank you for that support, Senator Jingo Estrada. You may have the floor now.
Thank you, Mr. Chair. Before I proceed with the questioning for Mr. Morales, I have conversed with the lawyer of James Kumar, and with the permission of the chair, if you will allow it, if he can participate virtually, Mr. Chair. Are you listening, Mr. Chair?
Please, continue. I'm listening.
If, I have conversed with the lawyer of Mr. Kumar, with the permission of the committee, with the chairman of the committee, if he can participate virtually from the hospital, Mr. Chair.
Well, he is within Philippine jurisdiction, and because of his medical condition, we can allow that, Your Honor.
Sir, we are just getting the clearance now from Dr. Lapitan, Your Honor.
Alright.
And we have sent
Matatagal
already
ba?
the link. Just a few minutes, Your Honor. Because Dr. Lapitan is in Makati Med naman, sir.
Alright. How many minutes are we going to wait? Alright. While we are waiting, I'll just proceed with the questioning of
Yes, go ahead.
Mr. Morales. Okay, Mr. Morales, bigyan na lang kita ng isang pagkakataon pa para malinis yung pangalan mo.
Yes,
Tinanong
Mr.
kita nung
Chairman.
second hearing ng komite, if you misrepresented yourself sa personal data sheet na sinabit mo sa PIDEA, that you were not dropped from the PNP role and was not dismissed and suspended. Yung personal data sheet mo, yung PDS mo, was made under oath. Tama ba ako? Was it made under oath?
Your Honor, nasagot ko na po yan, Your Honor.
Wait, just answer me. Was it made under oath?
Lahat po ng sinasabit ko po sa PIDEA, particular po doon sa PDS, ay lahat naman po ay under oath.
Alright. So, kung under oath yan, so you misrepresented yourself. So, malinaw na doon pa lang sa PDS mo ay nagsisinungaling ka.
No, Your Honor. Sapagkat nasagot ko po na ako po ay nag-comply doon po sa hiningi ng recruitment committee doon po sa PIDEA.
No. I'm not, wait. May I interrupt? I am not talking about your compliance. I am asking you if you misrepresented yourself. Dahil anong last hearing, question number 25, have you ever been separated from the service in the following modes: resignation, retirement, drop from the roles, dismiss, termination, end of term? Sinabi mong no. Inuulit ko lang yung tanong ko sa iyo nung nakarang hearing.
No, Your Honor. Hindi ko po
nilagay mo no, but-
wala pong misrepresentation na Mr. Chairman.
Ano tawag mo doon?
Ito po yung merong yung recruitment committee, sila po yung nagpa-comply sa akin. May mga bagay po nung mga panahon na yon na wala po akong impormasyon patungkol po doon sa mga pinahingi sa akin ng PIDEA. Kaya po nung ako ay pinag-comply nila, ako naman po ay nag-comply, kaya po ako tinanggap nila, Your Honor. Yun naman po yun eh. Ang pagkakatanggap po nila, base doon sa pagkakakompleto ko ng mga papeles. May mga panahon na mga katanungan na hindi ko po masasagot, gawa po, Your Honor, na wala po akong impormasyon o eksaktong impormasyon sa mga bagay na naitatanong sa akin. At ito po, Your Honor, ay aking na-comply. Ang PIDEA po, nung ako ay nag-apply, sila po yung nanghingi ng mga dokumento at ito po ay na-produce ko naman po, Your Honor.
Sandali lang, malayo na yung mga sagot mo eh. Alam mo, Ginoong Morales, binibigyan na nga kita ng pagkakataon eh. Tinanggap ka ng Philippine National Police. Sinabi mo, 1993 of April. Hindi mo na nalaman kung kailan ka na-dismiss from the service. Sinabi mo, hindi mo maalala. Itong pagpasok mo sa PIDEA, 2008, April. Okay?
No, Your Honor. 2009 po ako,
Alright,
Your
okay.
Honor,
Sige,
nung
2009, alright.
na-appoint sa PIDEA.
Okay, 2009. Naalala mo, inadmit ka na 1993 sa PNP, na-dismiss ka ng 1994 from the service. Pero dito, maliwanag na isinulat mo, no. Having been separated from the service, sinulat mo, no. Oh, sino pa wala namin? Yung mga sinasabi mo, ito yung mga documentary evidence
Your
na hawak
Honor,
mo ngayon.
ako po ay nag-comply doon sa PIDEA Recruitment
Mr. Chair, hindi
Committee,
ko malaman
Your
kung
Honor.
ano-
You just answer the question. Answer the question directly. Thank you.
Maliwanag po, Mr. Chair, na hawak ko na po yung mga documentary evidence na talaga nagsisinungaling itong taong ito. Dahil dito pa lang, pati sa question number 33, have you ever been formally charged? Sinabi niyang no. Have you ever been guilty of administrative offense? Sabi niya no. Yung have you ever been formally charged? Sinabi niya no. Ang dami niyang kaso na binanggit ko na yung mga during the previous hearings.
Mr. Chairman,
Yes, tanongin mo na ito. Follow-up question. Bakit nakalagay doon no? Bakit
Mr.
no ang
Chairman.
nilagay mo?
maaari niyo po ba akong bigyan ng original copy ng sinasabi ni Honorable Senator Jinggoy Estrada patungkol dyan sa aking PDS? Sapagkat yung ipinakikita niya ngayon na PDS ay pawang Xerox copy. Your Honor,
Okay, may we request
napakatagal
the-
na po niyan. At ito pong...
Sige, kunin natin yung original
Pidea,
copy.
submit you the original copy. Where's the original copy of his PDS?
I will ask our personnel officer right now to...
Mr. Chairman, if I may, Senator
Yes, go
Jinggoy,
ahead. Go ahead.
ang dami na nating hearing dito. Wala pang nga pinapakita kahit isang original si Ginoong Morales. Ngayon, siya yung manghihingi ng original. Kung ano man ang kopya meron si Senator Jinggoy, baka naman sapat na po yun dahil nakakatatlong hearing na po kami na picture lang ng Xerox ang pinag-uusapan po namin at pinagbibigyan po namin ng panahon. Bigyan nyo rin naman ng panahon yung Xerox ni Senator Jinggoy. Wag na po natin pahabain.
Your Honor, Mr. Chairman, ito pong pagtungo ko rito ay bilang resource person, kaugnay po doon sa PIDEA Leaks. Patungkol po doon
sandali.
sa... Your
Okay na
Honor.
yan, that's given. But please answer the questions because Senator Jinggoy is trying to establish yung credibility mo as a resource person or as a witness. Kaya please answer the questions.